How to download and install Football Manager 2023 on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's start it. Now, first of all, go to the Play Store application and search for Football Manager app on Play Store application. So just go to the search bar and type Football Manager. Now, after searching it, you can see that there is no option of Football Manager 2023 on Play Store because it is unavailable. So, what we are going to do, we're going to go to the Chrome browser on the device. So, just go to your app list and then tap on Google Chrome. After that, on the search bar, just search for Football Manager 2023. Just type Football Manager 2023 and just search. And here's the application with the website which you can play for free. So just tap on that. Now this is the official home page. So now you can also play Football Manager via Steam application. Now if you already have an account on Steam, it's better for you. Now if you don't have any, then go back and you can just search for Football Manager 2023 download and you can see various options popping out for you. Now scroll down, you can see the option of Football Manager 2023 mobile for Android, and here you can see the APK version and you can see the option of download over here. So just tap on that and you will download and install the Football Manager 2023 on your Android. So thank you so much and see you next time.